All right, everybody, 2021 Honda Civic. We're going to be trying out the XTOOL on this one. We got to program 2 keys to the vehicle. There is 1 key that's already programmed, but this does not go to this vehicle. I'm not mistaken. And these ones do. So, we'll go auto search. Smart key system, button to start. Okay. We are not. Please turn on the ignition switch. Yes. We're gonna add smart keys. Oh. All right. Sorry about that. So all smart keys are out of the car except for 1. Okay. Turn the ignition on with the switch. Yes. We're gonna add a smart key. Vehicle is recognizing the key. I'm just going to put the key. The key cannot be recognized. Please make sure the key is programmed. Okay, so that's a little bit weird. All right, let's try this again with the key that does work. So now I got the key that actually works in the car. Oh. Yeah, that's weird. Nope. Okay. Just turn on the ignition. Yes. Take the smart key out of the car and put a new smart key into the car. Perfect. Let's try this. Okay. See if it's going to turn the ignition switch off within 15 seconds. Okay. Ignition switch turned on. Turn the ignition switch off. Perfect. Turn the ignition switch on. Whether security indicator light is off, and they are off from what I can tell. Perfect. See if it starts the car. Oh, he has the brakes. So I won't be able to do that right now. Yes, switch off the ignition. Program success. All right, so now we're going to add another key to the car again. We're going to read the number of keys. Keys number is 2, so now we're going to add 1 more. Okay, we're going to add a smart key. Please turn the ignition on. Yes, I can. Vehicle is recognizing the key. Take the smart key out of the car and put a new smart key into the car. Smart keys are out of the car. New smart key is into the car. Okay. We're communicating. I just like to hold the back of the key up to the button. That's my preference. Doesn't have to be. Switch it off. Okay. Switch it on. Perfect. Switch off the ignition. Switch on the ignition. And the lights are off. Keys work. Switch off the ignition. Switch on the ignition. And program success. So that's it on programming 2021 Honda Smart Keys onto a Honda Civic using the XTOOL D8 Bluetooth. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.